The International Space Station. The International Space Station, ISS, is one of mankind's most impressive and ambitious engineering achievements. Located in Earth's orbit, it serves as proof of our ability to work together and explore the depths of space. The ISS was created thanks to many years of efforts of international partners, including the United States, Russia, the European Space Agency, ESA, Japan and Canada. Its construction began in 1998 and it is currently the longest-lived and most permanently inhabited object in space. The International Space Station, ISS, was launched into space as a result of a complex and multi-stage process involving the coordination of the efforts of various space agencies and countries. Its construction began at the end of 1998 and continued for several years. Here are the main stages of launching the ISS. Design and planning. The first step in building the ISS was to develop the design and structure of the station. The U.S. space agencies, NASA, and Russia, Roscosmos, were the main contributors to the design. As the project progressed, other countries such as the European Space Agency, ESA, Japan, JAXA, and Canada, CAS, joined in. Launch of the first modules. The first module of the ISS, the Zarya module, was launched into space on November 20, 1998 using the U.S. Proton launch vehicle. The Zarya module was designed and built by Russia and was the first element of the station to provide life support and flight control systems. Adding modules. After the launch of the Zarya module, other modules followed, which were delivered into space using American shuttles and Russian rockets. Each module was attached to a station in outer space, and the station gradually began to expand and take on its characteristic shape. Crews and services. Each expedition to the ISS includes multinational crews of astronauts and cosmonauts. They make long-term stays on the station, conduct scientific research, maintain equipment, and perform spacewalks to repair and upgrade station systems. Collaboration and improvement. One of the key success factors for the ISS is international cooperation. Space agencies and countries cooperate in all aspects of station operation, from scientific research to funding and the exchange of technical knowledge. Permanent population. Since November 2, 2000, the ISS has become a continuously inhabited object in space. The permanent population of the station ensures continuous scientific research and maintenance, as well as the possibility of long-term experiments. The ISS is an orbiting laboratory that provides a unique platform for scientific research in zero gravity. Astronauts on the ISS do a lot of research, including biology, physics, astronomy, medicine, and more. They study the behavior of living organisms in space, investigate the effects of weightlessness on the human body, look for traces of life on other planets, and study the possibilities of future space travel. The ISS also serves as a site for technical testing and technology demonstrations. Here, astronauts test new equipment and systems, develop methods for long-term space missions, and test new technologies that could be useful for terrestrial applications. One of the most surprising aspects of the ISS is its international nature. Astronauts from different countries work together, share experience and knowledge, and jointly solve complex scientific and engineering problems. This is a great example of how the world can come together for common goals and cooperate in the incredibly complex and dangerous environment of space. Throughout its existence, the ISS has undergone many updates and upgrades. Each new module or component added to the station expands its capabilities and provides new perspectives for research and development of space technology. The ISS also plays an important role in preparing for future space missions, such as the planned human landing on Mars. It provides an opportunity for testing and debugging systems that will be needed for long-term missions and habitation in deep space. In conclusion, the International Space Station is an amazing human achievement. It not only serves as a platform for scientific research and development, but is also a symbol of cooperation and peace among nations. The ISS continues to be an important international project, breaking new ground in space exploration and inspiring future generations of space explorers. Space explorers and travelers. As a result of the well-coordinated work of international partners, the International Space Station has become one of the most important achievements of mankind in space research activities. It continues to be a platform for international cooperation and scientific research, opening up new horizons for mankind in space exploration. Subscribe to our channel about space and planets. Here you will find breathtaking videos and fascinating information about the incredible beauty of the universe. We talk about the mysterious exoplanets discovered far from our solar system. Find out what factors make planets viable and whether they can support the conditions for the existence of life as we know it. Our videos cover the most amazing phenomena in space such as black holes, galaxies, star clusters and supernova explosions. You will get acquainted with the latest discoveries in astronomy and find out how modern telescopes help us explore the universe. We also have a video about our own solar system. You will learn about the planets, including familiar Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, as well as their moons, asteroids and comets. In addition, we will show you which space missions are exploring our galaxy and trying to decipher its mysteries. Learn about space telescopes like Hubble and Kepler that allow us to see deep into space and discover new worlds. Don't miss the opportunity to expand your knowledge about space and planets. Subscribe to our channel and go on an exciting journey through the universe. Together we will open new horizons and dive into the splendor of space. Subscribe.